Good morning, grade 2. It's Mrs. Stolt. This is, I think, time 3. So hopefully this one works and we'll get it out to you. Having a little bit of technical difficulties today. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. You have several pages to do for your math today. So my request is take your time. You have plenty of time to do them. They will not take you all day long, but when you rush or get overwhelmed with things, you tend to make silly mistakes, and you have a test today as well. So I want you to take your time, do your best. Don't make those silly mistakes. Okay. My suggestion is just take out one page at a time and go from there. Speaking about taking out a page, I need you to have your math binders or take out the worksheet that says 115-2. It has a whole 4 different rectangles on it, A, B, C, and D. And I need you to have that. And also there was a little Ziploc baggie that had the 1-inch tiles. These guys like this. You have different colors, okay? So grab those and a pencil and pause the video and bring that back, okay? All right. We'll cut over to my math screen. There we go. I'd like you to take your pencil and on the top of your page, I'd like you to write finding area. That's what we're going to do today, finding area. You've been doing a really good job of finding the perimeter. Remember, the perimeter is the measurement of the outside of the shape, like a fence going around your yard. The area is finding the measurement of the surface of that spot, so measuring your actual yard. Okay, and both of these are important real life skills to have. Um, Even just for the examples that I gave, maybe you have to figure out how much fence do I need to fence in my yard or a pasture that you have on your farm. Maybe you need to figure out how much flooring do I need to get to redo my kitchen floor. And so then you would need the area. So for some, it's finding the perimeter. For some, it's finding the area that amount inside. So today we're going to talk about area, and we're going to use these cubes, okay, or the 1-inch tiles, excuse me, to be able to help us find that. So let's start with A. Let me see if I can get all of my rectangle A on here. He's a long, tall guy. Oh, pretty close, okay? So take your tiles and fill up the inside of your rectangle here for A. So there we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so to fill that up completely and have none left over, it took us 8 1-inch tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you'll notice down here, that's where you'll write that answer. 8 1-inch square tiles. 8 square inches that it took to fill up that section. All right, let's try B. Let me move my paper here so we can see a little bit. You can take those tiles off of A if you'd like to. And now let's try B. You can either make rows going up and down, or columns going up and down, or you can make a row going across. So there's 3. 6. 9. Looks like we're going to need 3 more. Can you tell what the answer to this one will be? It will be 12. One moment, please. All right, I'm back. All right, so on this one, it took 12. 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. And so again, go down to the bottom and write in a 12 for your answer there. 12 1-inch square color tiles. All right. I'd like you to try C and D on your own. Okay. Try C and D on your own. You don't have to trace the squares or anything like that. Just use your tiles, fill it up, the inside, see how much it takes. Maybe make an estimate first for each one. See if you can figure out how much it will take to do each one. All right, back to me. Hello. All right, a couple reminders. The copies that I got from your letters yesterday, they were so wonderful. Thank you so much. Remember, each day when you write a letter, send a copy to me. That's your grade this month for writing and grammar, okay? Making sure you're doing those things correctly. And I realize we only have 3 days of school this week, but I do expect you to write 4 letters. So one of these days you'll have to write an extra one, or if you choose that you want to write one early on Thursday morning, even though I won't be sending you other lessons, that's okay with me too, okay? You've got your science and social studies to keep working on today and tomorrow. As long as you have it done to me and send to me the end of Wednesday or even the very beginning of Thursday, I'm okay with that. Take your spelling pre-test today on, let's see, which story? You are on Stirring Up Memories. And if you haven't read that story and taken an AR test on it, that's something you can do as well. And then your memory treasure. And remember, with those books from our hardcover reading book, sometimes I have read those stories to the whole class before and you have taken a test on it. If that's the case, you do need to tell me that, okay? I can't know that, and it takes a lot for me to go back and look at everybody's individual records months and years in the past, okay? So please make sure that you do that for me, all right? Have a great day.